A denied cash advance in FloatMe usually happens when your bank account doesn't show steady direct deposits, your account history is too new, or FloatMe can't fully verify your banking connection. By the end of this, you'll know how to identify the exact reason for denial, how FloatMe evaluates eligibility, and what changes actually improve your approval chances. Start by opening the FloatMe app and checking your cash advance eligibility screen. If it shows denied, the system has already run an automatic check using your linked bank data. Next, open your connected bank account inside the app and review your recent transactions. FloatMe relies on deposit patterns to decide if you can safely repay a cash advance. If your income deposits are missing or irregular, approval is usually blocked automatically. Now check where your paycheck is actually being deposited. If your income goes into a different bank account than the one linked, FloatMe will not count it in its decision. Next, look at how old your bank account is. A very new account with little transaction history can trigger denial because there isn't enough data to evaluate your financial stability. If that's your situation, consistent deposits over time usually improve eligibility. Now confirm your bank connection is working properly. If the sync is broken, FloatMe may not be seeing your full income or balance information. Next, check if your bank login details have changed recently. Password resets or security updates can silently break the connection even when everything looks normal. Now make sure your FloatMe app is fully updated. Older versions can cause incorrect eligibility results or failed data refresh. If everything looks correct, sign out of the app and sign back in. That forces a fresh eligibility check using updated banking data. If you recently changed jobs or pay schedules, your deposit pattern may look unstable for a short time. In that case, eligibility often returns once consistent deposits appear again. Avoid submitting repeated advance requests without changes to your banking data. Each request uses the same financial profile, so nothing improves until your bank history updates. If needed, remove and reconnect your bank account to fully reset the sync. A clean reconnection can fix hidden verification issues that block approval. If nothing works, contact FloatMe support with your denial message and bank details. To sum it up, verify your income deposits, confirm your bank connection, check your account history, and refresh your app session. Next, focus on building consistent deposit activity before reapplying. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more FloatMe tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.